Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Trudy. Welcome back to Biracial Kitchen. Okay, we all know that Christmas is right around the corner, and we all know that as Jamaicans, you cannot enjoy Christmas without having a nice slice of Jamaican black fruit Christmas cake. People call it black cake, people call it Christmas cake, people call it fruit cake. There's so many different names, but today I am going to call it Jamaican Christmas cake. Whatever it is, just run with it. So Ariana is not going to be a part of the video because she's 4 and it involves using liquor or alcohol. So all you'll be seeing is my little hands, because if Ariana is not a part of the video, then you know it doesn't make any sense for you to see my face. Anyway, guys, let's get down to the video. All right, guys, so we have 1 cup of cherry, 1 cup of raisin, 1 cup of fruit mix or currant. That's what we call it. Now, if you're somebody that likes to have all this chunky stuff in your cake, fine, no problem, go ahead and just put in like that. But for me, I don't like to be eating my cake and be feeling like chunk of stuff in there. So we're going to blend it out. All right, we'll be right back. You are going to need 1 teaspoon nutmeg, 1 teaspoon allspice, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon cinnamon powder. You're going to need a tablespoon of lemon juice. Now, lemon juice, guys, the lemon juice is to kill the flavor of the egg when you get ready to include all that mixture. Okay? The next thing you're going to need is 1 tablespoon of vanilla. And you're going to need 3 teaspoons of baking powder. Listen carefully, baking powder, not baking soda. All right, guys? Guys, next you're going to need 1.5 cups brown sugar, 1 cup soft butter, right? You're going to need, depending on the size eggs that you're using, you're going to need about 6 to 8 eggs. Now I have 7 right here because my eggs were small. So about 6 to 8 eggs. Alright? Alright, guys, you'll need about 3 cups of all-purpose flour, sifted. Alright, so let's get that ready and we'll be right back. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and add our salt. We're gonna add our baking powder to our flour. Next, you're gonna go ahead and add your nutmeg. You're gonna add your allspice. In addition to that, you're gonna add your cinnamon powder. So after you add all the dry ingredients together, you go and mix it real good. Alright. And then we're going to set it aside and move on to the wet ingredients. So now we're going to combine our fruits together and we're going to blend it. We're going to put our rum in there, we're going to put our wine in there, and we're going to blend it all together. Now we're going to go ahead and add our butter. And you want your butter to be soft. Alright, soft to the touch. Then we're gonna go ahead and add our sugar. And we're gonna cream everything together. Now if you have a mixer, you can go ahead and do it, but I like the old school way. So I'm gonna cream that together and we'll be right back. Alright, so we're gonna mix this out. And then when we're done, we're gonna set it aside. We are going to get our egg and lemon juice ready. Alright, we got our eggs, so I'm just gonna pour my lemon juice in there. We're gonna beat it. Alright, so we're gonna add our egg into our sugar and butter mixture. We're gonna mix it until it's all creamy. Alright, when it looks like this, you want to go ahead and grab your fruit mixture. You want to have at least 4 cups. 4 cups to put in here. Gonna mix that all up in there, okay? Gonna mix it. Alright, now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to add my vanilla. Alright, so what I'm going to do right now is add a half of my flour mixture in here, and then we'll add the rest later, right? Alright, now I'm gonna go ahead and add the rest of the flour to the mixture, right? Alright, this is what you call browning, right? You can use it to cook chicken, you know, stew fish, do whatever it is you want to do. But right now we're going to use it in our cake. Now depending on how dark you want your cake, that's the amount of browning that you're going to place in your cake mixture. Alright, I want it really dark, so I'm going to start off with about a half bottle. Alright guys, this is the color that I desire. If you want it to be less darker, then you add less browning. But if you want it to be more darker than this, you add more browning. Alright, you don't want to over mix your cake. So we're going to set it aside, and then we're going to get our baking pan ready, and we'll be right back. Now we're gonna put a little bit of butter and flour in our baking pan, alright? And the more butter you use, the better. That way the cake won't stick when you get it out, when it's time for it to come out. Gonna take my parchment paper, gonna place it in the bottom of my baking container. Then I'm going to pour the mixture in. Alright, you wanna go ahead and give your cake a little tap. Just try to level out everything. You wanna make sure that you have at least an inch for the cake to rise. Now we're gonna put it in our oven at 350 degrees for about an hour to 1 hour and 15 minutes. Now some people, they put like a little baking pan with water in there under the cake so that you can steam it and don't dry out the cake. So you can do that too. So that's what I'm going to do as well, just to make sure my cake doesn't get dry or anything. And I'll see you when the cake is done. All right guys, our cake is done. It has been in the oven for about an hour and 10 minutes. So guys, you see when the cake no longer touch the edge, then your cake is done. All right, so we're just gonna let it cool for a couple minutes, and then we're gonna slice into our cake, and we're gonna see what it looks like on the inside. All right, we'll be right back. All right, so you want to take your parchment paper off of here. All right guys, there we go. Look at this beauty. Edge is nice and smooth. And this, guys, is Jamaica Christmas. All right guys, so let's go ahead and take a slice of the cake so you guys can see what the inside looks like. See all that steam coming out? Alright, there you have it guys. Jamaican Christmas fruit cake. Alright, you can design it any way you want to design it, but at the end of the day, it's Jamaican